In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speed in Davinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit page. You can find this option at the bottom of your Davinci Resolve interface. The Edit page is where all the magic happens for editing your videos. It is the workspace where you can cut, arrange, and refine your clips. You will see a timeline where your clips are laid out for editing. Selecting this page sets the stage for making precise adjustments to your video. Next, click your video clip. This action is essential because it tells Davinci Resolve which clip you want to modify. When you click on the clip, it becomes highlighted, indicating that it is selected. This visual cue confirms that you are ready to make changes. You will see various options available for editing your selected clip. This step is important as it ensures you're working on the correct footage. After that, right-click the clip. This action opens up a context menu filled with editing options. Right-clicking is a common function in software that allows for quick access to various commands. You will see a list of options appear. This makes it easier to find the feature you need without navigating through multiple menus. It streamlines the editing process, saving you valuable time. Now, select Change Clip Speed. This option allows you to adjust how fast or slow your video plays. By clicking on this option, you will open a new dialog box where you can input your desired speed. This is a key step because adjusting clip speed can significantly impact the storytelling of your video. Whether you want to speed things up for excitement or slow them down for dramatic effect, this setting will help you achieve your vision. Next, change the speed. The dialog box will show you a percentage where you can input your desired speed. A speed of 100% represents normal speed. If you enter 200%, that means your video will play 2 times faster. Alternatively, entering 50% will create a slow motion effect. Finally, entering 25% will produce a very slow motion, enhancing dramatic moments in your video. Once you've selected your desired speed, click Change. This finalizes your adjustments and applies the new speed settings to your clip. You will see an immediate change reflected in the timeline. This step is crucial because it confirms that your changes are saved. By clicking Change, you ensure that your video will play back at the new speed you specified. Each of these steps is vital for manipulating the speed of your footage effectively. Understanding how to change speed can enhance your editing skills and improve the overall flow of your video. You will be able to create engaging content that captivates your audience with the right pacing. In summary, we covered how to navigate to the edit page, select your clip, access the speed settings, and adjust the speed accordingly. Following these steps will allow you to control the tempo of your footage, whether you want to speed it up for action or slow it down for emphasis. Mastering this tool in Davinci Resolve will make your editing process smoother and more intuitive. Happy editing!